Now when him tama yema $11 million. Sadima ba me so damn na 1 million. Oh se ko tran to so waye.
Penny for say NDC kwala mo hye. Wi tofe. Now anapatu tu abaiwa wonnam abakopa dwumaye no. Wakonu mu wi na de wi a wanimaye ene wo hwen ase eti wa ya ase.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Edbagana and Sam TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say by next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section ameje also. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje also sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new Prophetic party Amenyokuno. They are about power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi wa John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu Idi. Ya many am for the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo Miyama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say amanya 7 no. Dachinti na ya manyo se menye print ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti dachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have my opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Now when him tama yema $11 million. Sadima ba me so damn na 1 million. Oh se ko tran to so waye.
Penny for say NDC kwala mo hye. Wi tofe. Now anapatu tu abaiwa wonnam abakopa dwumaye no. Wakonu mu wi na de wi a wanimaye ene wo hwen ase eti wa ya ase. What you say? NDC kwala instead of say wa nko school abesua dwuma no. Mo ne number 3 say ya. We what they say ya watchna. All be small your friends and social media say wakoton a week. Edi akoya your friends campaign. Ama and accommodate na yemia no. Why you would see Musa Sabanu takra? Ense muhu na okeka. O president your ba is here. Or brapa ben wabo. NDC party mu ni futu for because I dream born in the Belgian to moon in check. It mu ni futu for. It o mumpani for sorry a eni me hu no moye. Abai wa kete wunyin ye was on a pakoshi wi nti se na wonam na nsem hu a okeka o president iba ya de a o ya ne so de aka do e pentilo lokwan ho na a break my kwan every day be e penti na wo horo se de ntwema kwan e penti a saka de beche so what you say eti wo abai wa wanye abai wa ti say about this time ke bi enka osu adwuma ana e bi ka school bi na wo kɔ no wi na de ayi adwuma entampe kwase a hwede wahia ne wani aye na unhu de oye ho asema wo kan ensisi so asema wo kan wan pene fokra beka sa nya no kure ma mun ba mientu sika bia ma obia because of some mun ko school mun sua de mun sua adwuma eti read of na we watch na be ho na o suna koton e bicycle e de campaign e na ye mia me na wo kam abai wa katakati we de anum wi na anabatutu tu wani aye o kasa kra wonu bia wonam hu se de wusika o ka kosi fa musu akwa ne se bedi machi a enye de ebehuni na ayi ndisi fo nkwala de wo de mu nya wi ne nimo no we watch na no awro ne ho yase be ma bi na amane broken house na ye wi mu fa musu nkwa
Togo minya Lebanese minya Nigeri minya Ghana ni mapa
so ba ya o kasai
school
me hu sakwara ha na chi me pe be makun na oni na wo no so ya MPP ni a me na ja no se gewi se be makun oni ne wo ba na yisa na yiri no se ne mpna o so ya MPP ni nkun me na ja no because abaya we ka ho bi o me miensa And I make us say me call school mo ka chom say President Mahama obon onuma mu ono mo no obu ntutu bibidi na ba umia de obesa ba besra mo aba entobaya de papa mumu di no mo ka chom say mo ton kete oya mizu oya meza eyezozaze eyezuzaza we na maka o masa mo sa na ewure ene usu se me nka bi ma wo sesen o so nya mmobo me pebe mo ne wo be yese na chi so yam pipi ni nko ade a me mema na ja no omo no omo ya miensa
postings no me hu say say di kan ka to ho na nye say prophecy but make us say de omo ye ade ne kan ho asem no and from the way na ye nkofo bi ne edi nkomo no ne enim de ebekọ the time a pharmacy for any started so musu allied health for any kemu I knew nurses it wouldn't be different because obi o ha what to am say na mpese me post ba ko bi say o ja we gumani mase MP a whole member of parliament at ton slot man 20,000 Ghana cedis mo ni pa fa obi awe 16 we 17 ntu ya anteba we ya brewa ba sika ne bi ni ho we te se me anka wunya bi mfa ntua demonstration baso esa odu hu jim da bia canes for no mo ye over ahia 2020 referral and 2021 for no mo dosu pa nti se wo so fi se unya bi postings no bi because everyone me who be enroll nurses or say enroll nurses ye nka ho ana obe ho midwives midwives ye nka ho general nurses yeso ye nka ho because ene ehin de ne buy ene no em say public health for nko a nti unya public health nurse unhu bi posting no bi on be no bi atena so fiti lady ba kwa me ne kasa watena so fiti ana journal refreshes a musu mbe bia ade ne portal ne be 10 am wa create account dada ubi mo yesa create another account ibu kwa log in once yes what you've attempted many times now I lock you out ube say remu no yes no slot ye nim dada so mo de ama mo nkrofo enti no o ye 2020 referral about 2021 na woni mo bia woni capra de betua demonstration we esa odo ho jim enti flyer ni ne omo ye grounds work police normal per date I'm told say hopefully Friday ye di enim ya enti no ho video ya share ma 2020 referral batch and the 2021 referral batch main batch ni say postings na ekoso no yadi kan scam onobo akando ne de ama nko for that and oba be dada Ghana for be kubie because again how come say ube bie ade na 10 am put me remu 10 to na 10:3 yes no slot go for afade da enti no always a cockroach the John kind of posting enti hu a share mo bia hu bi me say mo mpani for no the date ne beba but we are just a flyer almost say mamu hu say BBC baso hopefully no date ni beba bia watchina but I'm told say by Friday so munya police clearance ni ade say betumi aya enti no be on Ghana mekano ehia wa abraho bi social na papa nurse can be ye can one ba ho because benefit no pe no motiase picketing ni demonstration ni no language o motiase ano no enti fa ho jim bi because at the end of the day no me posting ebo am emfa me ho how we here on so oba ho tie de be ka ho asem but it's up to you to show up what's in common as it's mon share because posting no a scam.
Dear Wuyi, do you want to be treated as an NDC member, that's a politician, or you want to be treated as a pastor? Dear Wuyi, obi ko kasa si a ebe kase waka say tie na me nipa ya de ngo asra no ye de ntwibini na asra ya on
utiri kwa se kura pastor oduro kwasi ampanyini wo NDC for mu one opposition na Kenya nsasam bon enti aba ni sia NDC mu ayi ba ya wadana boa wunim no kure na wo kan kwasi asam Ghana ni no watua ni sika otua yi la bia no pa bia autopetro no pa ewia autopetro anyumra autopetro what do you say obisi Kevin Taylor said he would deport you before wake up ni nyina kwasi asam na make choose every 1 minute via school bus na munyamisha bro ni the system is working 24/7 Kevin Taylor osulomi ojimia meme ni abrewa tweda nso ojimia mekwa kofa na yire broni abrewa na kodi no I'm telling you the fact osulomi on to me come as a minute, as I come a mobile on the second kunda dada. And once I'm a summer would for my mom, Miss Canoma to make about cocoa, meaning baby or Virginia, which I could be say, I've been Washington DC, Washington State. No, my mom, I second couldn't simple no be ability. You are more and this phone because your phone is no mushroom. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may mobile cocoa.
Well, what is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so any one san your money in our form it is just so for no start this question well musame out of ignorance. Yes,
that's why I want to say
legitimate question. He did not ask out of ignorance.
Me patron man kasa he asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance me say man kasa me on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance.
They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my
ignorance. I mean, okay. So me, me kind. Oh, me ba. Me kind. Ni say. Asam na okano. Interest enyama bo enkosru.
But the
tie the okano want to order my panic can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will be increased, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increased, you know. A better form. What I say?
Inflation.
On my, Mrs. Sana, on my, dear me, on my car, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about my cancer petrol about for me. About no, he's trying to put all these things down.
So why na man cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go forward there? What you say? And I know some money can say Pulican Ayaba Abama and your man a buff from oh, until the making. Me say, so what you buy be all spoke against say. I was so no mushia. I'm on no mushia, but nanka way my no. The furniture so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Abanka to me petrol.
Is right. So
at the end of what I say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in every Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5.
Yes.
Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi former foreign affairs minister. You remember Asabi and his wife?